So hello friends, welcome back to our own channel Exam Buddy. So now we do the assignment of data analytics with Python week 8. The first question is in regression modeling the key difference between the dependent variable in linear regression and logistic regression is that, and the answer is option B. Question number 2, which measure is primarily used to access model fit in logistic regression instead of the sum of square and error used in linear regressions, and the answer is option C. Question number 3, which statistic test is used to evaluate the overall significance of all logistic regression model, and the answer is option C, G test. Question number 4, the coefficient in logistic regression are interpreted primarily using, and the answer is option D. Question 5th, in logistic regression the odd ratio for an independent variable you measure, and the answer is option A. Question number 6th, if the odd of event occurring are 3, the corresponding probability is, and the answer is option C. Question number 7th, in logistic regression model evaluation, the difference between the minus 2 log likelihood of the basic model of proposal model follows approximately which distribution, and the answer is option A. Question number 8, the world test static used in logistic regression for testing significance of coefficient is, and the answer is option A. Question number 9, in logistic regression, the relationship between predictor and probability is model using, and the answer is option C. Question number 10, if estimate probability of an event is 4 is equals to 0.40, the corresponding odds are, and the answer is option B. So now we submit the answer. The answer is submitted successfully. So if you want any course of assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing: subscribe our channel so you get the answer in future. So goodbye, have a nice day.